Oh, that one's gonna die. No, 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 kennel. Leroy, no, no, kennel. Dang it, I didn't see if that one fell out there. Looked like it was going down though. Shh, kennel. What is up with you and the break-in recently? Nice little flock of gadwall, 3-pack, I guess, not a flock. They did it pretty nice. No wind is making it tough though. Sit. Oh gosh. And there we go, first duck of the morning. Nice little drake gadwall there. Should not have taken that third shot there, just too far, 45, maybe even pushing 50, but it looked like that bird was dying, feet were hanging, and it was headed out just past that point of frag there. So I'm gonna take Leroy on a walk. Hopefully this ice is thick enough for us to walk on top of it and see if we can't track that one down. A few more ducks flying out here. Oh gosh, are they gonna go into the spread? Right in. Nope, nope. Come on, Leroy. Well, that's what I get for taking a long shot I shouldn't have. All right, Leroy, dead bird. Dead bird, hunt, Leroy. You got it? Good boy, Leroy. Hey, good boy. Come on, Leroy. Leroy, here. You find it, Leroy? Hey, good boy. Good boy. Man, I can't tell y'all how many ducks I would have lost this season without my dog. Oh. Well, that makes me feel better. Man, third or fourth volley those guys have ripped off like that. I haven't seen any ducks come from that direction yet. This no wind is killing me. Just need a breath of wind to get them to work right. Oh, here we go. Sit. Well, take that all day. I'm gonna try to just let it float right here in front before I send the black dog, especially with the problems he's had with breaking last couple hunts. Make him be steady here for a minute. Sit. Leroy. Good boy. All right, leave it. All right, go kennel. Good boy, Leroy. Good boy, way to be steady. Go kennel. Oh, beautiful little Drake Gadwall there. Not sure if he was the young one in the group or what, but the other 5 were definitely gonna take another pass, and he dropped right on out, so gotta take that on a day like this. Set. Leroy. Oh gosh. Ugh. I wish you would take it just a little easier on some of these retrieves. Ran straight through that ice shelf and straight through that log. Another little young Drake Gadwall, looks like. What you got, bud? All right, leave it. Yep. First year Drake Gadwall. Tiny little bird there. Just starting to get his colors fully. Just a tiny hint of that rust on the wing. Worked like a Gadwall though. Came over a couple times, looked like he was gonna pitch in down there once, and then finally did it. Oh yeah. Ringers. Sit. 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 Quiet. Didn't mean to scotch double there, but not gonna complain. think that drake dove. Diving ringneck is a bad deal. Leroy! Damn drake dove on me. Hopefully he'll pop back up. Good boy. Come here. Hey, here. Leave it. Not seeing any sign of that drake ringneck. Knew I should have put another cleanup shot in him. He was right here and dove. I mean, odds are he went up to the deep water, but when they know they're being chased, they get real sneaky. They'll just stick just the tip of their bill right out of the water to get a breath of air and then dive right back under and go down or up another 50 yards. So I think I'm gonna get Leroy into this clump of cattails. Could have swam into those and be tucked up in there. Let him work that, and then if he doesn't pull it out, I'll paddle down and see if maybe he swam way on down, because the current is flowing this way. So odds are if he dove here and went out, he probably would have gone down. But I want to check this first just because this is the closest thick cover. Oh, what are these here? Oh, of course. Oh. Now that I got my 6, the pintails start working. Unfortunately, it's looking like that drake ringneck is going to be